If you're looking at creating a beautiful Japanese garden for your own backyard, be it big or small, then a good understanding of some of the elements of Japanese garden design is really going to help you head off down the right path. The elements of good design for Japanese gardens actually come from ancient Chinese literature, and the name Kenroku-en, one of the best gardens in Japan, actually means a combination of 6. These 6 elements are seclusion, spaciousness, artificiality, antiquity, waterways, and panoramas. And in this video, we are going to take a look at what each of these elements means. We'll show you examples from real Japanese gardens, and hopefully you'll be able to apply some of these design elements to your own garden. If we look at the first element, which is seclusion, this is obtained by creating small enclosed areas. Artificiality. This can mean trained or pruned trees, using an artificial rock outcrop, creating hills in the garden, small mounds, and other similar artificial landscape elements. Antiquity. This involves the use of old statues and objects, and it can include old stone pathways. Waterways. The use of water is an essential element, and these include streams, ponds, fountains, waterfalls, as well as water containers and bowls. Panoramas. This means views either of the garden itself or areas outside the garden. So, from a hilled or raised area, a view of the garden is possible. It's also possible to create panoramas of the garden from a building or a deck so that you can overlook the garden and see it in its entirety. We hope these examples of the elements of Japanese garden design will help you create a beautiful garden design in your own backyard. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on all aspects of gardening and garden design.